Good morning, you beautiful people. So, today, quickly just want to show you this lovely spiral garden that we've created. It was a rough build, quickly built with just some old clay bricks that we had lying around. And then we just took a wire brush and cleaned the joints up a little bit. To make the cement a little bit whiter, I just added some lime to it, according to the instructions that's on the back, so it wasn't that difficult. But I think it looks really nice, so now we just need to fill it up and plant it. Then I also wanted to say thank you to Mikon and Beshi for buying me these gates. They will go into the pick and tractor very soon. We will add that wire up to here, and they will become part of the pick and tractor. I'm very excited about that. Must admit, I think it's going to be awesome. Cherokee bought me this whole roll of parrot wire. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna pick it up, but just imagine that was part of the script, me picking it up. I see it might not be in the video. Is it? Oh, it is. Okay, so that whole part of parrot wire for from Cherokee. Thank you so much, Cherokee. Really appreciate that. That will go far with the Chicken City. And then Ninka bought some fruit trees to offset their air miles, which I think is quite a nice thing to do. So I'm here at the government nursery, and so I decided to, rather than buy one expensive tree, I'm going to buy a couple of smaller trees that we can use. So if Ninka, if we're not going to plant these ones yet today, but we will plant some other ones today, ones that's bigger, and then we will raise these ones out and have them grow up and plant them in the township later. So how the government nursery works is you come and check your trees here, then you drive about 3 kilometers to a different office. You go pay there and then you come back. So one thing I didn't see was these baobabs. Now, they might, my farm might be too cold for them. I have a very nice baobab there, but it dies back every winter. So I'm not sure whether it will ever grow into a big baobab. But these baobabs, I think for the township will be such a nice thing. They will become many years old, grow into giant trees, and then provide a whole ecosystem. We call them upside down trees. Okay, so let me choose quickly. How many mangoes did you say we must take? How many mangoes is there? Three mangoes. Three mangoes?
Three mango.
Okay, this one is good. Almost that one. This one is good.
I
Yeah,
like the branch one.
the branch one.
Having a branch.
Ah, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, take that one with the branches. I like that one.
Take long to make a branch.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Do you see any other ones with branches? Uh, this one is also nice and strong. It's got. You see one with branches? Yeah, that's also a nice one. Okay, take that one. That one is stronger. Okay. And then the other things that we need to take.
One jacobberry.
One jackalberry. Okay, let's do that. One jackalberry. I think this is the strongest one. Three petunia. Embe. Three of them.
I make it a whole.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I think they will drain better. No, it's fine. Leave it there.
Very big, but it was having a disease, but we are treated it's die.
Okay, is it older now?
It's a big more than that.
Okay.
Did you took that one?
I think this one is good. I'll take this one. Oh no, go put this in the car. Just turn the camera a little bit.
Okay, to here.
You think these ones are better?
Huh?
You think these ones are better?
But it's young. That
So,
one is
but older. Now let's take the older ones rather.
the diseases, but we are
What disease did they have? Do you know?
It was having these diseases. But we are treated with neem tree.
I see.
It's dying. No more life. We are treated already. No
Okay.
more life.
This one looks good.
Mm.
I think so. And then let's take this one. So did you make your own neem tea or
Yes.
did
the
you buy
leaves
it?
for neem, yeah. We are squeeze and put it in water.
Say again. You squeeze it and you put in the water.
The leaf for neem.
Yeah.
Squeezes in water, even one day, night and day, and come and
And then you spray it.
spray.
And that is treating that disease.
Yes.
Okay.
Even the animals,
Yeah.
goats,
Yeah.
you are put on the water.
You put in the water.
Squeeze.
And then?
Put in the water, and the animals must drink that water.
And then? Cleans out in the worms and things like that.
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know.
Chicken.
Even the chicken. What happens to a chicken if they eat the neem?
Yes.
Do they get healthy? More healthy?
Yes.
Okay.
Neem is healthy even for us.
Yeah.
Stuffing.
Do you take?
Chew the leaves.
Let me taste it. Let me take the camera. So we call it
Google on your phone.
a pesticide tree.
How
But because we call it a pesticide tree, I don't eat it a lot. Because apparently... Taste this one.
the leaves and chew.
Very nice. You must go chew it very strong. Chew it very hard. It's terrible. It's better. I had to keep my face nice just to get my son to chew them as well. But
To make a garden.
yeah, so we do something called permaculture,
Okay.
and we plant the food forest. So these ones,
This is a custard apple.
what?
Custard apple. Neem.
Custard apple. Okay. Ananas. So what I do is these ones are going to the township. Gonna make them stronger, and then we have some people that we help in the township where we plant there, so they can have some food. I think it's a good idea. All right, thank you for your time. Dana, put those in the car, please. Let's do that. Maureen is shopping for a carpet, and if somebody bought coffees for a carpet, I told her to go and shop for a carpet. We're not sure what we can find for that money. Eames, do you have all your tools?
Yes.
But there's three trees missing.
Oh, like.
Where are they? Those two there. Not three, two trees. Sorry. It needs to go to Manette. And so, Ninka, thank you so much for making that possible. We had the trees ready, but us going to plant them and the compost and the time and the travel and all of that will definitely help with your coffees. Funding this operation is quite a story, always. Right, so at Imsa's house. Good day, young ladies. Hello. Okay, but we'll do that. Your papaya's got a lot of fruit, eh?
Yeah.
Looks incredible.
Transplanting now, just be careful.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, this campage here that I'm
I'm sorry, I'm stepping on them.
yeah,
Sorry,
no
man.
problem.
Nice. Hi, Vanessa, how are you? Good.
So, like, I can put my some here to be on front here, like,
2 lemons.
yeah.
Yeah, where the marullas used to be.
Yeah.
There and there. Yeah, that can look very nice. I think that's a great idea. Did both the marullas die now?
Yeah, no, the one is there surviving.
Is it coming out?
It's only those that died, yeah.
Only mine that died.
Yeah.
So there's a story about this. 2 kids that both got goldfish and they looked identical. Next morning, the one goldfish was swimming upside down, floating in the tank. And the brother ran immediately to his sister. He said, "Hey, come, look. Your goldfish died." I think this is what Ims is doing here as well. My tree died. Do you think it's surviving?
Yeah, it will just keep
Still green.
Yeah, it's still green. Yeah. It's only the leaves. I know when this fall out, the new one will come.
Yeah.
I still have hope.
Okay. How's business here?
It's going good, yeah.
Of the,
Vanessa, explain, how is your business
how's your business going, Vanessa?
Going very well.
Is it? Are you making lots of money?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. I see there's a lot more stock in the shop as well. A lot more things to sell. That is very good. Right, at Manette's house. Ims, we must just check where Manette wants the trees and then quickly see what we do there. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ims, this one is a narki. It's an easy peel orange that the children can eat easily. This one we just accidentally cut the bag the other day, that's why we put it in a new bag. And then you said it's already putting up fruits or flowers.
Yeah, fruits.
Nice. Okay, so that's wonderful. And then this is a lemon. Normal Meyer lemon is got also easy to peel, but I can make some juice with it, cool drinks with it for the children's shop.
Even this one, like on our traditional village, when we are like coughing, you put these leaves in the warm water, then you drink it, can also help you.
Oh really? With the chest?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Ninka, so we're in Manette's shade house, and this is basically where Ims wanted to plant it. Now the other tree is maybe a bit too close. Now Manette feels they should be in the shade house so she can protect them for the first couple of years. So I'm gonna have Ims re-dig the holes. That one closer there to the corner. So it's at least about 3 meters away from the avo. And then this hole we're also going to re-dig. It was supposed to be in that corner there, but we're gonna re-dig it about 3 meters that way. And so then the shade house is basically filled with fruit trees that will grow as Manette nurtures the, sorry, my tripod is uneven and it frustrates me. Normally things like that don't bother me that much, but as Manette grows vegetables, she'll be growing fruit trees as well. You can see how nice and deep the soil here is wet. See, the top is a little bit dry. It's quite wet below, so these trees will be watered with the drip irrigation. As time goes on, they will grow, and then at one stage we'll remove the net house, either put it somewhere else on the yard, or if it's not necessary by that stage anymore, if the canopy is big enough, then we'll go place it at somebody else's yard. That is our main idea. So Ims is quickly digging those holes. Quickly just want to cut some pipes. So we have those white pipes at home, and I just forgot to bring them. Let me set up my tripod quickly. So I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. This is about the size arm and a half of Lucas, 70 centimeters about. Should be enough. And then you can just use any old pipe to drought proof it a little bit. I think if Huey sees me use the knife like this, he'll have a heart attack. This is exactly how I taught my children not to use a knife. And so this is just to get the water to the root zone in an easier way. So trusted Leatherman, still not sponsored by them yet, but I am a giant Leatherman fan. I think it is simply the best knife on the market, mostly because of their warranty. I've broken this knife many times, sent it back, and gotten either a free repair or a new knife. Both things that I like. Anyway, so as many of you know, somebody gave me a laptop. This morning I've asked on a post for people to help me with my import tax and VAT and things like that. And so I just quickly wanted to say thank you. So this video is obviously made possible by Mikon and Beshi that bought me the gates, and then by Ninka that sponsored the trees, helping plant the trees, but then as well by Sue B. Sue B, thank you so much for helping me pay the import tax on my laptop. Christopher Parrish and Claire Skrine, thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. I think we are about 25% there of really getting my laptop released from customs. Thank you so much. That will definitely go a long way. I'm also going to add a new link if anybody else wants to buy trees for the township. I found a way to make that easier, where the money we spend goes in almost immediately into my account, and so the next day I can buy the trees. It was a big problem in the past with the money taking sometimes up to 3 weeks, and by the time the money comes in, I'm so happy just to receive money. I'm not always sure where it came from. Yep. And I think that will be something of the past now. I think I can do it quicker. Still important that I do project for project. Some things work out more expensive than what I anticipate. So I've got this crowdfunding thing on the new coffee app that I'm going to use more often. But for everybody that's supporting me, I really do appreciate it. We also brought some muties that we're gonna, tree starter that we're gonna throw in the bottom of the holes. Let me help him quickly to dig the hole. Let's plant it like this. I think that's deep enough. We can put the mulch. Put enough mulch for us. I'll quickly go grab the pipes. Put plenty of mulch, né? Okay, put soil for me. Okay. Put mulch. Yeah, you need to break it up further. A bit smaller. Okay, bring mulch, I'll break this. So the bankrupt bush also helps for the termites. I haven't seen any termites in Monet's garden. They don't eat the bankrupt bush, but they seems like they're running away from it. Okay. Put soil. Okay, put soil for me. up the roots a little bit. Okay, put plenty of soil. Just fill it up with soil. Right. Good. You're doing a good job. So while the camera was off, Ims explained to me that they've cut Manette's water off. Now I'm talking to the camera.
Come again?
I'm talking to the camera. No, I'm just saying, you explained to me that they cut their water off, gave her only street water, and they're going to change it to a new system now. Yeah. So let me grab that for you. When did they say will they give her the new?
I think because the system is sending a new system.
Yeah.
You know the way we are buying our electricity?
Yeah.
The way they want us to buy our water like this.
On your phone.
Yeah. You can buy water through your phone, through the app.
It's ridiculous. I cannot imagine they break one system before they have the next system in place. That's a joke. Okay. Great. One tree planted. Ims, I have to run.
Yeah, okay.
You'll plant the other one. Thanks, man.
Okay, sharp.
Long day. Digging all these holes.
Yeah.
Okay, listen, that's going to be me. I quickly have to run. Before 5 o'clock I need to pick up the guys cutting the grass. And Ims will continue here. Nienke, thank you very much. This is what your money has done. Have a wonderful day.